So, welcome back. So, in this video, I'll be giving you a short assignment that lets you practice what we have learned so far. So, only learning doesn't help, so we need to practice it, right? So, I have created a basic layout that we can build now. So, we know that HTML is pretty ugly without CSS. So that's fine, but we are learning HTML, so we will just creating up a markup, right? So this is a pretty basic thing that we have learned. We have an image, we have a heading, we have paragraphs, we have links, right? We open in new tab, right? So what I want you to do is to create this exact thing for you. Put your image here, name here, what you do and what you are, and certain website link if you have, right? So for this is the heading, this is the image, this is a paragraph, this all are links, and for this you have to look a bit on the internet. That is always recommended to search around things and build things, right? So for this you have to look on the internet how to do this. Actually, it's not a heading, it's inside paragraph only, but how to make it bold, right? You have to look for a new HTML tag and learn it and implement it. So this is a pretty much basic assignment for this particular series, and if you're creating something, you can share, you can tag me on Instagram. I'll happy to reshare. It's pretty simple for now, but you are doing it by yourself or learning. So to tag me on Instagram, I'll happy to reshare work with other in the community.